Oh no! What just happened? Are you okay? It's alright, we can fix it. But I didn't mean to.
Okay, viewers, today I'm going to show you one of the most amazing backbencher animation niches that has incredible viral potential. The best part is that I created everything with just one click using Super Intern AI. In this video, I'll explain what Super Intern AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to create engaging animation content without any complicated editing. Before we begin, just take a look at the videos on your screen. You can already see how engaging, colorful, and entertaining they are. There is a popular channel called Backbench Animations that I showed you in one of my previous videos. This channel has grown to almost 800,000 subscribers, and its shorts are performing incredibly well. If we look at the most popular videos, you'll notice something amazing. Several videos have crossed 29 million views, 20 million views, 18 million views, and many others have reached millions of views as well. This clearly proves that this niche has massive demand. If we consistently create high-quality animation videos like these, our own channel also has a great chance of growing, getting monetized, and reaching a large audience. One of the biggest reasons behind the success of this niche is that children absolutely love these funny animation stories. They feature entertaining characters, humorous situations, emotional expressions, and engaging storytelling that keeps viewers watching from beginning to end. Personally, this has always been one of my favorite niches because every video feels unique. Every scene introduces different characters, funny moments, and entertaining situations that naturally capture the audience's attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the main tool of today's video, Super Intern AI. You'll find the official link in the description below. This platform is much more than a simple AI image generator. Before we start generating images, let me quickly show you one of the most useful features of Super Intern AI. If you work with clients or collaborators, you probably receive a lot of emails every day. Super Intern AI helps you identify important emails and even prepares reply drafts, saving you valuable time. After your meetings, it can automatically generate a meeting summary along with the key action items, so you always know what needs to be done next. It also includes reminders and task management to help you stay organized and never miss an important follow-up. If you open My Intern, you'll find features like reports, task management, and the skills section, where you can access public skills and the Creator Center. Under the More option, you'll find integrations, where superhuman AI can connect with platforms like Google, X, LinkedIn, and Outlook. It also supports multiple AI models, including DeepSeek and many others, giving you the flexibility to use different models for different tasks. Overall, this is an all-in-one AI platform that helps you accomplish almost everything in just a few clicks. Now let me show you how to create your own skill. I'll open the Creator Center, where I already have a few existing skills. To create a new one, I'll enter a prompt like, my YouTube channel, AI Skills Zone, has 25,000 subscribers. Find 10 AI brands suitable for paid collaborations. Then I'll click Create Skill. As you can see, it automatically generates different workflows such as finding AI brands, researching them, and organizing the results. The platform builds the skill for you and quickly delivers the complete output. Now let's go back to My Day. If you want to schedule a meeting with a client, simply open the chat and type a prompt like, schedule a meeting with AI Skills Zone at 7 p.m. using this email address. After clicking Send, the meeting is created automatically. If I open the Meetings section, you can see the meeting link, organizer details, and all the information are already prepared. The Reminders feature can be connected with Telegram, so you'll receive reminders both inside the platform and on Telegram whenever you have an upcoming task or event. Next is Scheduled Tasks. I'll create a new task with the title Find Trending Brands. After entering the task details, I'll save it and click Run. Within seconds, the AI completes the task and provides a detailed result from A to Z. It's a very powerful feature for automating repetitive work. Finally, all your completed activities and updates will appear in the Daily Reports section. Now let's move back to the Chat section, where I'll show you how to generate AI images. I'll simply copy my first image prompt and paste it into the chat. As soon as I submit the prompt, the AI immediately starts generating the first image. Now we just need to wait a few moments while it processes everything. And here is the final result. Look at this first image, viewers. It looks absolutely amazing. The AI perfectly understood my prompt and generated a beautiful 2D backbencher animation scene exactly the way I wanted. Now let's move on to the second prompt. I'll copy it, paste it into the chat, and generate another image. Again, we'll wait for just a few moments. And boom, our second image is ready. Take a look at the quality. The consistency, expressions, colors, and scene composition all look fantastic. Now let's continue with the third prompt. Just like before, I'll paste it into the chat and let the AI generate another scene. After a short wait. Here comes the third image. Honestly, this looks incredible. Super Intern AI has become a very strong competitor in AI image generation because the quality is surprisingly impressive. Now let's generate the fourth scene. I'll paste the fourth prompt and click Generate. After waiting for a few seconds. The fourth image is also ready. As you can see, every scene maintains the same animation style while creating unique situations for the story. To save time, I'll generate the remaining prompts one by one. And there we go. All of my animation scenes are now complete. Take a close look at these results. The overall quality, character consistency, colors, background details, and expressions are all extremely impressive. This is exactly the kind of engaging artwork you need for viral animation videos. Now let me show you another useful feature inside Super Intern AI. We'll open the settings section and then go to the voice options. Here you'll find multiple AI voice providers, including OpenAI, 11 Labs, Minimax, and several other voice generation services. Each provider includes different voice categories, styles, accents, and speaking tones. Whenever you need a voiceover, simply choose your preferred voice model and return to the chat. Now I'll ask the AI to generate a voiceover for my animation story. As soon as I submit the request, the AI starts creating the narration. One thing I really like about this platform is its speed. In most cases, it generates professional quality voiceovers within just 1 or 2 minutes. And just like I mentioned earlier, you can switch between OpenAI, 11 Labs, Minimax, and other available voice providers depending on your requirements. Now the voiceover is ready. As you can see, it generated a 46-second narration that perfectly matches the niche and story I requested. Okay, viewers, now let's move on to the next step. Simply open the Flow AI website. As many of you already know, this platform offers a free way to turn your images into animated videos. Once you're on the website, upload all of the images that you generated earlier. After uploading them, simply enter the animation prompts for each scene and click the Generate button. That's it. Now let's skip the waiting time and check out the final results. And here we go. All of my animation videos have been successfully generated. Take a look at these results. The animations are smooth, engaging, and perfectly match the original images. Now let's head back to Super Intern AI. Earlier, I mentioned that I would show you its pricing plans. So let's take a quick look. If you choose the monthly plan, it costs $30 per month. If you select the 3-month plan, the price drops to $27 per month, giving you a 10% discount. And if you choose the annual plan, you'll pay only $24 per month, which includes a 20% discount. The best part is that every plan includes access to all of the major features, making it an excellent value for creators who regularly produce AI content. One more thing. You'll find my referral link and referral code in both the video description and the pinned comment. If you purchase through my referral link, you'll also receive the available discount, making the subscription even more affordable.